The hassle-free wealth secret: how bonds can secure your financial future. Your path to stress-free wealth. For risk-averse individual. I want you to look at your watch or clock. In a few minutes from this moment, you'll have a clear understanding of how to build stable, growing wealth without the constant stress of stock market fluctuations keeping you awake at night. Over my 12 years as a financial expert, I've encountered countless scenarios of investors solve this exact problem. Right now, millions of people are watching their investment portfolios swing wildly while their hard-earned savings gradually lose value to inflation. Today, I'm going to show you how bonds can create predictable returns with minimal effort on your part. Before we continue, let me ask you a quick question. Would you prefer an investment that delivers consistent 4 to 6% returns if you are in Europe and America, and over 10% for local currency bonds in Africa, and all this with 90% less stress than traditional stock investing? If that sounds appealing, you're in the right place, because by the end of our time together, I'll show you exactly how to make this your reality. Understanding the wealth dilemma. Let's take a moment to examine why so many investors struggle to build sustainable wealth. There are 3 primary obstacles that prevent people from achieving financial peace of mind. First, there's the emotional roller coaster of stock investing. It's not uncommon for stocks to swing 5% or more in a single day, creating tremendous stress for investors. Compare this to bonds, which might move just 0.5% on their most volatile days. Second, we have what I call the silent thief, inflation. With current inflation rates around 3%, keeping your money in a savings account earning just 1% means you're actually losing purchasing power over time. Third, there's the time trap. Many investors spend countless hours researching stocks and monitoring the markets, only to achieve inconsistent results. The truth is, you don't need more complexity in your investment strategy, you need smarter simplicity. This is precisely where bonds excel as a solution. Demystifying bonds, your new wealth building block. Now that we've identified the problems, let's focus on the solution. At this point, we're going to lock in some game-changing knowledge about bonds and how they work. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially becoming a lender. For example, if you loan $10,000 to the US Treasury by purchasing a 10-year bond, they will pay you $500 annually in interest, and at the end of the 10 years, they'll return your original $10,000 investment. Similarly, when you buy a corporate bond from a company like Apple, you might earn 5% annually with significantly less risk than owning their stock. Bonds offer 3 remarkable advantages that make them ideal for stress-free wealth building. First is their predictability. You'll know every payment date and exact amount well in advance. Second is capital preservation. It's worth noting that US government bonds have never defaulted in the nation's history. Third is the peace of mind they provide. Bonds often rise in value when stocks fall, creating a natural balance in your investment portfolio. To make this tangible, let me share how Sarah transformed her financial life. At 52, she reallocated $250,000 from volatile stocks to a diversified bond portfolio yielding 5% and paying $1,042 every month without fail. That's $12,500 per year in predictable income. While her friends stress over market swings, Sarah enjoys peace of mind knowing her money is working securely for her. Your personal 3-step bond blueprint. Now that you understand the power of bonds, let's create your personalized action plan. Here's a straightforward 3-step approach that works for most investors. Let's take an example of the Americas. The foundation of your bond portfolio should consist of U.S. Treasuries, which represent the safest investment available. These should make up about 40% of your bond allocation. Next, add a growth layer composed of blue-chip corporate bonds, which offer higher yields while still maintaining reasonable safety. This segment should account for approximately 30% of your portfolio. Finally, keep about 30% of your bond allocation in an opportunity fund, ready to deploy when special situations arise, such as temporary dips in bond prices. Now, if you are in Africa, the foundation of your bond portfolio should consist of government bonds from stable African economies, such as South Africa's RSA retail bonds, Kenya's treasury bonds, or Nigeria's FGN savings bonds. These are among the safest local investments, backed by sovereign guarantees, and should form about 40% of your allocation. Next, add a growth layer with blue-chip corporate bonds from established African companies, like MTN, Safaricom, or Dangote Group, which offer higher yields while maintaining strong credit ratings. This segment should make up 30% of your portfolio. Finally, keep 30% flexible for opportunity buys, such as when African Eurobonds temporarily dip due to global market shifts or when local central banks raise rates, creating attractive entry points. This balanced approach leverages Africa's growth potential while prioritizing stability. I want you to visualize your current investment portfolio. What percentage of your assets could you realistically allocate to bonds starting today? Your invitation to financial freedom. So what are the factors? First, calculate your exact, stress-free income number, the amount you need to cover your expenses without worry. Next, identify the optimal bond allocation for your specific age and risk tolerance. Finally, set up a system to automate bond payments directly to your bank account. The choice before you is clear. You can continue with investment strategies that haven't been working optimally, or you can take action right now. In my experience, the investors who achieve lasting success are those who recognize opportunities and act on them decisively. Closing thought. As we conclude, I want to leave you with one final reflection. You've just learned and invested in learning about bond investing could pay dividends for decades to come. Years from now, will you look back with gratitude that you took action today? Please note, past performance is not indicative of future results. All investments carry risk, including possible loss of principal. Bond values fluctuate with market conditions. If sold prior to maturity, you may receive more or less than your original investment. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Individual results may vary based on market conditions, investment amount, and timing. Examples provided are hypothetical illustrations and not guarantees of performance.